Welcome to the Professor English podcast, where we don't just talk about English, we practice English. My name is Ryan, and I am your host. Today, we are going to practice using the phrasal verb hold off, which means to wait until something happens before taking action. Wait and see, if you're familiar with that expression. As usual, instead of giving you long explanations, let's just jump right in and practice. If you're not sure how to use it now, don't worry. After we practice using it together, you will be much more comfortable with this phrase. Before we begin, I just want to remind you that if you prefer some visual help with this exercise, you can always see the video version on my YouTube channel, Professor English ESL Class. Now, let's dive in and start practicing English. Mary wants to buy a new car, but she decided to wait. Mary wants to buy a new car, but she decided to wait. She decided to wait. Can you repeat that? She decided to wait. She decided to wait. Let's make a why question with she decided to wait. Why? Why did she? Why did she? Why did she decide? Why did she decide to wait? Why did she decide to wait? Here is the reason. She wasn't sure about the amount of her annual bonus. She decided to wait because she wasn't sure about the amount of her annual bonus. Maybe she could get a very nice car. Maybe she could get an okay car, maybe no car. She wanted to wait first to see how much money her bonus was at the end of the year before buying her car. She was holding off. Holding off means waiting until something else happens. First she's waiting for her bonus, then she will buy her car. She was holding off until she got her bonus. She was waiting for that moment when she got her bonus. She was holding off on buying a new car until she got her bonus. She was holding off on buying a new car until she got her bonus. First, get the bonus, then buy the car. She was holding off on buying a new car until she got her bonus. Until she got her bonus. She was holding off on buying a new car until she got her bonus. All right, fantastic job. Let's try another example. Mike wanted to start a big project, but he wasn't sure if it was a good idea, so he decided to wait. Let's make a why question with decide to wait. Why? Why did he? Why did he? Why did he? Why did he decide to wait? Why did he decide to wait? Here is the reason. He wanted feedback from more experienced people. He wanted feedback. He was holding off until he got feedback. First get the feedback, then start the project. Because maybe it's not a good idea. Maybe it would be a waste of time. Holding off until getting feedback. He was holding off until he got feedback. He was holding off on the project. Holding off on the project. Holding off on the project until he got feedback. Until he got feedback. He was holding off on the project until he got feedback. All right, you're doing a super duper job. Let's try another example. But before we do, I just want to remind you that if you find these exercises helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, Professor English ESL Class, so that you won't miss the next lesson. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please take a moment to press the like button. It helps my channel so much and lets me know that you want to see more fluency and listening comprehension exercises just like this one. Now, let's keep practicing English. Here is another situation. Mike and John wanted to play soccer outside, but they decided to wait because it looked stormy and dark outside. Let's make a why decide to wait question. Why? Why did they? Why did they decide? Why did they decide to wait? Why did they decide to wait? Why did they? Why did they decide to wait? They wanted to wait until it was sunnier outside. They decided to wait until it was sunnier. They were holding off until it was sunnier. They were holding off until it was sunnier. They were waiting. They wanted to wait and see. First it's sunnier, then they can do their action. They wanted to wait and see about the weather. They were holding off until it was sunnier. Hold off is like wait, but wait until something happens first. Wait and see. They were holding off until it was sunnier. All right, fantastic job. Let's try one more. They didn't know how to handle some problems at the office while Mary was on vacation. So Mary is on vacation, maybe she is the boss or somebody very important, and some problems happened and people didn't know how to react without her. They decided to delay making some big decisions until she returned. They decided to delay making some big decisions. Let's make a why question with that sentence. Why? Why did they? Why did they? Why did they? Why did they decide? Why did they decide to delay? Why did they decide to delay making some big decisions? Why did they decide to delay making some big decisions? Here is the reason. They wanted Mary's advice and had to wait for her to return from vacation. They decided to hold off until Mary returned from vacation. Let's wait until this happens. Let's wait until Mary returns. We can ask her. She can help us. They decided to hold off. They decided to hold off until Mary returned from vacation. All right, you did an amazing job today, and you learned some fantastic English. Congratulations, I knew you could do it. Remember, practice makes perfect, so you should repeat this exercise several times, not just so that you can remember how to use the verb hold off, but also to improve your listening and your speaking skills. It's been really fun practicing English with you today, and I hope to see you again real soon. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next video with more interesting words and phrases.